Thinking about trading Forex or CFDs, today we're taking a hard look at Fusion Markets. But the big question is, legit or scam? Let's break it down. So Fusion Markets is an online broker offering Forex and CFD trading with ultra low spreads and access to platforms like MT4, MT5, CTrader, and TradingView. It's been around since about 2017, headquartered in Melbourne, Australia, and regulated by authorities including ASIC, one of the stricter regulations in the world. Here's what many users and reviewers highlight: very low cost, tight raw spreads, and low commissions compared to many brokers, fast execution and transparent pricing, ideal for scalpers and active traders, mixed but largely positive customer service reviews, praising responsiveness and support. Some traders also report smooth deposits and withdrawals and consistent platform stability, but it's not perfect. Regulation and investor protection vary by region. ASIC clients get stronger protection than offshore ones. Some users complain about withdrawal delays or fee confusion, and not all traders have the same experience. Limited educational tools and research compared to bigger global brokers, and some independent reviews raise caution about mixed experiences and false positive review concerns. So do your homework. So is Fusion Markets legit or scam? It's legit, backed by ASIC regulation, segregated client funds, and lots of trader reviews saying they withdrew profits without issues, but not perfect for everyone. It's reputable for low-cost trading, not a guaranteed get-rich-quick service, and real risks always exist in trading. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.